Hey spicy fans, you are welcome back to my kitchen. I am so excited to show you how I make one of my favorite sauces. Are you new here? If you are welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Yeah. Today is one of my favorites. As you can see, we are just going to start right away. Today it is broccoli and mushrooms in garlic sauce. You like that, don't you? It is very nice. And to start with it, I'm going to start with the broccoli. I am not going to cook the broccoli and just pour the water away that just some people do. I normally put my broccolis in a bowl and just soften them a little bit with hot boiling water. And then just wait a little bit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I drain the water away. I don't want to go the traditional way of you cook the broccolis, you pour the water. Why do I cook broccolis and pour the water away? No, I want everything to remain in. So I'm going to pour the water away now. So these are my brocks. A bit soft and juices maintained and retained inside. Now I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil. That's my little bit. This is chorizo. Chorizo is cured meat. You can add, it is spicy. It's like suya, like I don't know how to describe it. It is very nice. It's dry meat. You can even eat it raw like that. It's already done. You can eat it raw like that. Chorizo is cured meat. And it's very nice. It tastes nice, spicy, a little bit salty, and it's very meaty. I like a bit of it in my broccoli and mushroom sauce. So I just cut it into half moon shapes into the oil. If you're a vegetarian or any other type, you can have this food as well, but you can do without the meat. Broccoli and mushroom sauce is a very healthy version of vegetarian food. If you want to know much about chorizo, read about it. More detailed list of my ingredients are in the description box below. You can look at them. Look how the chorizo is already making the oil coloring. Just give it a little bit of fry. The oil now looks like palm oil because there's a lot of paprika in the chorizo. Then you can put in your brocks now. Just to stir fry it a little bit. Because we pour hot water in the broccoli, it will not take long to cook. We don't want to overcook them. So I'm adding the mushrooms as well. I'll stir fry them all together. just stir fry them gently. Yeah, that's just okay. Add a little bit of black pepper, just about 1 teaspoonful, a little bit of soy sauce, and stir. If you want to add some salt, you can do that. I am okay with the amount of salt in the chorizo, and I'm going to add something else later that has salt, so I'm alright with that. Okay, so I'm taking them out now. I'll bring them back later. Next is I'm adding a little bit of oil again into the pan, and I'm going to chop my garlic. You can slice them and you can chop them, but yeah, you can also puree them. That is it. Ooh, wow, lots of garlic. I love that. While I wait for the garlic to cook a little bit, I have preheated some water. In fact, I've boiled it, and I am using a thickener. You can use corn starch if you want, but I am using gravy, and this is chicken gravy. If you do and it's not enough, you add a little bit more, and then you pour hot water on it. Don't forget to keep checking. Yeah, that's fried a little bit. So I'm adding some shrimps. We like a little bit of shrimps in this. Keep that on a low heat so it cooks nicely. The gravy is a bit thick. Looking at my quantity of the broccoli, I think I am alright with this gravy. Add some black pepper, to your taste. Add some oyster sauce. If you put too much of oyster sauce, it will be too sweet. Not like stock cube, but it tastes a bit more like when you put the oyster sauce. Use the soy sauce to loosen it. My kitchen smells now like a Chinese restaurant. Then you stir. As the shrimps start to go orangey, you know that it is ready to bring back the broccoli and the mushrooms. So here are the broccoli and the mushrooms. I'm putting them back in it with the juice and everything inside. You see the juice? and I am going to give it a real good stir. The aroma here is so heavenly. You can have it like this without the thickener. You can also add a little bit. It smells so garlicky and shrimpy and mushroomy and smells a lot more of brock. Now I'm adding I made it thick like this. If you make it too light, it might keep on losing its thickness. So we like a bit of this in ours, and I am adding. Fans, have you subscribed to Spicyfafa yet? If you have not, please like, share and subscribe. Broccoli and mushroom in garlic sauce, Spicyfafa way. Done. Hey fans, in your comments, tell me what you like about this, what improvement you want, because we have lots and lots of types of this sauce. Do you like mine? If you do, tell me in the comment box. You can have this with anything, rice, potatoes, and anything, bread. But today I am having mine with spaghetti. Can you imagine the aroma and the taste? We are done.